You might have heard how Bitcoin works. It uses proof-of-work mechanism to mine transactions. Ethereum still uses proof-of-work mechanism to mining its transactions. This proof-of-work mechanism is not affordable for everyone, as to mine a Bitcoin or Ethereum, you need lots of computation power, which is very costly. Therefore, general publics are unable to get into the cryptocurrency market. That is when Pi Network comes into the picture, which was developed by PhD students from Stanford University in 2019, and the main aim was to make cryptocurrency available to everyone. Thus, Pi Network is a social network which uses Pi cryptocurrency, and these currencies can be mined by any phone easily, and it doesn't consume much computation or battery power of your mobile phone. Even Pi Network have a feature where you can create your own network of members and can choose anyone to be a miner and can replace him or her as per the network's need. In today's video, we're going to be talking about crypto, experts thinking about Pi Network, and should you be scared or is it something exciting, and the reasons to opt for it. Hey everyone, you're watching Crypto University, where you get all the latest news about crypto, blockchain, and NFTs. Make sure to watch the video until the end and hit that like button if you find it informative and unique. Also beware of scam comments in the comment section. Don't give anyone your personal info or even sign on to an anonymous site. We'll never ask you to contact us on WhatsApp. In this video, we're going to talk about what experts think about Pi Network in the future. So let's get started. What is Pi cryptocurrency? Pi is an exciting new crypto project with the aim of building the world's most inclusive peer-to-peer marketplace. The Pi team has set out to build a democratized cryptocurrency and smart contracts platform, secured and operated by everyday people. In short, a currency for and by the people. The vision is to create an inclusive peer-to-peer marketplace fueled by Pi, which they hope will compete to become the world's most widely used cryptocurrency. Pi is a digital currency designed for everyday people and the first to be mined on mobile phones. Pi is more than a cryptocurrency. Many people don't know much about the digital currency, so the word cryptocurrency is even further removed from their awareness. Telling people, hey, this is a new cryptocurrency, download the app, is like beating one's head against the wall. Not only does it keep people from really considering whether they should download the app or not, it almost misses the point of the platform. Without a marketplace, an exchange of goods and services, cryptocurrency becomes a speculative investment. People get involved because they think they can get rich quick. So great efforts are made to accumulate cryptocurrency, hoard it, drive the price up, and then sell it for a profit. I'm not weighing in on whether or not this is good or bad, but I joined the Pi Network community because the founders articulated a different mission and a different vision. And this vision requires a marketplace for people to exchange what they're selling for Pi Network cryptocurrency. History. Pi's core team is led by 2 Stanford PhDs and 1 Stanford MBA, all of whom helped build Stanford's blockchain community. They cannot guarantee that the project will succeed. However, they do promise to work their hardest to make their shared dreams a reality while maintaining the highest standards of integrity. You can learn more about them in Core Team page in the main menu of the app. First of all, the goal of the Pi Network project is for mass adoption and targeting a large community. And because most people often hear about Bitcoin, there is a comparison between the weaknesses of Bitcoin and the advantages of Pi, which inadvertently lead to a portion of the crypto community judging it as a hoax, a bluff. Because they lost a lot of cash in crypto projects in 2017 and 2019 period, which are inherently bankrupt and often compare themselves as Bitcoin innovations. As we described above, it's not certain that the Pi Network project will be successful or not, but even if it fails, you will wonder if you've lost any money on the project. The Pi development team has ensured that they do not rely on the often criticized proof-of-work consensus algorithm to become future-proof. Instead, the protocol runs on a novel consensus mechanism called Federated Byzantine Agreements, FBA. This is a breakdown of the infamous Stellar Consensus Protocol, SCP, used by the Stellar blockchain. While the Stellar network relies on companies and institutions to serve as node validators, Pi's FBA allows regular individuals to use their devices to secure the network while being rewarded. The framework of the Pi network is divided into 4 roles, including Pioneer, Contributor, Ambassador, and Node. The Pioneer occupies the least position on the Pi hierarchical ladder. It involves a regular mobile phone user who signs in regularly to mine. A Contributor has a list of pioneers who work under it to secure the network. An Ambassador works to bring more people into the network, while the Node runs the core SCP algorithm. Taking its cue from the first-generation blockchain networks like Bitcoin, the Pi network intends to create an idea of token scarcity while ensuring that a sizable amount of tokens are not concentrated in the hands of a few people. Given this, the Pi economic model operates on 4 different models. Number 1, simple. creating an intuitive and a transparent economic model. Number 2, fair distribution. The asset's price would give several people access to buy tokens, unlike the first-generation protocols. Number 3, scarcity. Create a form of scarcity to maintain its price. Number 4, meritocratic mining. Incentivizing user engagements by rewarding the contributions to the network. To keep its value relatively affordable, the Pi network uses the halving method. The first halving occurred when the network hit 100,000 user benchmark and dropped to 1.6 Pi per hour. The second halving occurred when it crossed the 1 million member mark and dropped to 0.4 Pi per hour. Regarding fees, the Pi coin lacks value because it hasn't been fully launched. A full launch would likely see the crypto asset list on centralized exchanges due to its community strength. A listing on popular crypto platforms could see long-term holders profit from their mined coins. Regarding Pi stock price, the Pi crypto ticker is not related to the Nasdaq Pi stock price for Impinj. If you're interested in buying crypto stocks like Coinbase, we recommend eToro for stocks and crypto trading. Final thoughts. How do you actually use it? The unique selling point of Pi as a new cryptocurrency is that it's the first digital currency that you can mine on your phone, making it accessible for the everyday user. Mining Pi is very quick and easy. The free mobile app just requires you to confirm that you're not a robot by each day clicking a button to restart mining. After each period of 24 hours, you will need to mine again. You will not be earning Pi if you do not restart the mining period daily. However, the app and the act of mining are fully passive. The app is well designed to be simple and not at all time consuming. As soon as your 24-hour period of mining has finished, it will send you a notification reminding you to restart the mining process again. That wraps up this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay notified about our uploads. I'll see you next time. Until then, peace out.